What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. I'm going to be showing you how to change your mouse cursor in Windows 10 because the default Windows 10 version it's just boring and it's really hard to see, especially on white surfaces. So if you'd like to find out how to do so, continue to watch the video. Alrighty, guys, so the first thing you want to do is go to the link in the description below, and it's going to take you to that page here. It's going to take you to this link. You're going to ignore the not secure. It's not going to say not secure because this site's secure, but this is not secure. This is how this site makes money by doing all these ads that aren't really legit. So you're actually going to right click on skip ad and click open link in new tab. And it's going to pop up here. You're actually going to close out of that, and then you're going to come to this page here. So now what you want to do is you're going to go over here, and it's a zip download so you don't have to worry about anything. All credit goes to this guy, and all credit goes to Rovis, another YouTuber, which I'm sure you've seen on my channel in the past, but all credit goes to him for showing me this as well. All credit goes to the creator, obviously. Now, there is better ones, however, I'd rather do this one because it has a white border. That way, if you're over white, you see the black, and if you're over black, you still see the white. And actually, you know what? I'm kind of interested to see. I'm going to leave this open, and I'm going to check that out later. So I'm going to finish the tutorial. So you're going to go to your downloads folder. You're going to see this. So you're actually going to right click on it and click extract all. Now if you have WinRAR, you're going to click either extract here or extract folder name. So click extract all, click extract, sorry. And that's going to pop up with this. So now you're actually going to go down here to the setup information file. You're going to click it once, right click it, go up to install. It's going to say, do you want to open this file? Click open. And then the UAC is going to pop up, click yes. And there you go. So now it's installed. And then the way to change it is, the easiest way I get to it is I hold down the Windows key and select the letter R on my keyboard. I type in control panel. And there's multiple ways to get to your mouse. If your category isn't changed, I usually go to small icons. I click mouse. I click pointers, and then I click this drop down menu and I click Windows black. You're going to click apply, and then this will pop up. The cursor scheme, name you selected is already in use. Do you want to replace the original scheme? Click yes. Now you actually have a really good cursor. I'm sure this is a lot easier for you guys to see because as you can see it's over white, so it's black. But if I had a black wallpaper, I'd still be able to see the white without having to worry too much about not being able to find my mouse cursor. So anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, drop a dislike. I really enjoy doing videos for you guys. I'm going through a lot right now, so this is probably the only out to what I have. School will be coming out, so I probably won't be making videos as much. However, I'm going to do my best with that. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the support with all the subscribers. If you guys want me to make any certain videos or tutorials, let me know in the comments below, and I will be sure to do that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, and peace out.